Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make your TikTok reposts private so you can have more control over who can share your videos. Reposts are a feature that allows other users to repost your videos on their own profiles with or without your permission. This can be a great way to get more exposure and engagement, but it can also be annoying or even harmful if you don't want your content to be shared by strangers or trolls. Luckily, TikTok gives you some options to limit or disable reposts on your videos, and we're going to walk you through them step by step. The first thing you need to do is open TikTok and go to your profile page. Tap the three-line icon in the top right corner to access Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Privacy section and find Interactions. Here, you will see the option for repost. But for some reason, this option is unavailable for me. Toggle this off to prevent others from reposting your videos. This will apply to all your future videos, but it won't affect the ones that have already been reposted. If you want to remove those reposts, you will have to report them individually. To do that, go to the reposted video, tap the three-dot icon, and select Report. Choose the reason for reporting, such as infringes my rights or spam, and submit your report. TikTok will review your report and take action accordingly. Again, this will only affect your future videos, not the ones that have already been duetted or stitched. And that's how you can make your TikTok reposts private. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.